Hello everyone, this is LeetCode problem number 345, reverse vowels of a string. Also, this is fifth problem of LeetCode 75 series. In this, we are given a string S, and what we have to do is reverse all the vowels in the string and return it. So let's say this is my string, and whatever vowels are there, I have to reverse them and return it. What does that mean? That means, let's say I'm iterating, my start pointer is here and my end pointer is here. What do I do if I encounter a vowel this side and I don't have a vowel this side? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do end minus minus. Let's call it start pointer and let's call it end pointer. Start and end. Okay, so now I'm gonna do end minus minus. My end pointer will come to A. Now I see that is I a vowel? Yes, it is. Is A a vowel? Yes, it is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exchange it. So now my string will become this. My end was here, my start was here, and once I have swapped the vowels, I'm gonna do start plus plus and end minus minus. Again, I'm gonna call function for this character. Is C a vowel? No, it is not. So I'm gonna do start plus plus. Is E a vowel? Yes. Is this E also a vowel? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna just exchange them. Okay, so after exchanging, what it becomes is A C E C R E I M. So this E and E is exchanged. Once I've exchanged, I'm gonna do star plus plus and end minus minus. So my start would come to C and my end will come to R. Again, I'm gonna call the function if it is a vowel. If it is yes, if it is a vowel, like since C is not a vowel, I'm just gonna do start plus plus, and then I see that my start is crossing the end, so I'm gonna end the loop. That's it. Now let's see if this is our answer. We have A C E C R E M. So yes, this is the answer that they have given. Now one thing that you can notice is that we retain something which was in capital letters as capital letters itself. This was given and I had taken all of them as small letters. So that is fine. When you will swap, it will swap as it is. What we can do is that we can do a dry run. So let's say, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me 1 second. Okay. So my start is at 0, my end is at 7. Okay, so now we will swap only if I call a function is vowel on this start and end, and if it is successful. If it is a vowel, then only we are gonna swap. Okay, so I have, okay, so it was ice cream, right? It is ice cream. Now is my M a vowel? No. It is my I a vowel? Yes, it is. So I'm gonna be like, my start will still be pointing to the same thing. Now is my M a vowel? No, it is not. So I'm gonna do end minus minus. So it will become, see, this is not a vowel, so I'm gonna do end minus minus. Okay, now my end will be pointing to this. I mean, let me just make it point to this. I'm going to do end minus minus. My end will point to A. So now end. Now my start is I. My end is A. Is it vowel? Yes, it is. So we'll swap. So now it will become A C E C R E I M. Okay. Now I know that okay, so once I have swapped, I'm gonna do start plus plus. So now my start will become 1. My end was here, I'm gonna do end minus minus, it will come here. My end is now 5. Now is my start is vowel, so this C, is it a vowel? No, it is not. I'm gonna do start plus plus, it will become 2. My end remains same because my end was vowel, so my start will come here. Now since both of them are vowel, we are gonna swap them, so it will become A C E C R E I M. Let me just write that result at current stage is what we have. Now my start is pointing here, now my start will point to this is my start, and my end was pointing over here, now it will point to this. Okay, now so my start increased 3, my end came to 4. Now is start a vowel? No, it is not. I'm gonna do start plus plus. Is end a vowel? No, it is not, so we'll not be swapping, and my result will remain same as the previous slide, as what do we have in a previous row, right? And if I go more than this, like if I do end minus minus, it would be 3. Now is my start less than end? No, it is not, so I'll come out of the loop. So now this is the answer that we have, and that is what was given. Yeah, so this is pretty easy, and let's code it. 2 pointers, one with the name start, will make it point to start, and another one, the end pointer, we will make it point to the last index, which is s dot size minus 1. Now what we are going to do, we are going to iterate through the array. We'll iterate only till my start is less than end. Now what we will do, we'll try to find the leftmost vowel. That means I'll do it till my start is less than s dot size, and we will see if it is not equal to vowel. If my s start is not equal to vowel, I'm just gonna do start plus plus. Like if it is not vowel, I'll just keep moving, I don't have to swap or do anything, right? Same thing we'll do with the end pointer. Let me just copy paste it, Control C. So what I'm gonna do, till my end is greater than or equal to 0, greater than or equal to 0, and my, like the pointer which I'm pointing at, like the indices, does not hold a vowel, I'm gonna do end minus minus. Okay, so yeah, till I find a vowel, and if at all I have found a vowel, what I'm gonna do, if my start is less than end, then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna swap. I'm gonna swap s of start with s of end, and once I have swapped, I'm gonna do end minus minus, and I'm gonna do start plus plus. Okay, so this is it. What we are missing right now, okay, wait, once we have found, we'll just return the string which was given to us. Okay, one function that we still have to write is the function is vowel, which returns true or false. So let's write bool is vowel. We are passing the character, right? So let's say char C. What we will do, we'll return will return true in any of the cases if my C is equals to A, or C is equals to A E I O U. Okay, now what we have to do, we also have to take care of the capital letters, like it can be a vowel and it can be a capital letter. So, or if my C is equals to capital A, C is equals to capital E, C is equals to capital I, C is equals to capital. Okay, yeah. So this function makes sure that is vowel is taken care of. Let's see if it is working or not. At line number 7, what we have done? Okay, we forgot the exclamation mark. Okay, so this is working. Let's try submitting it. Okay, yeah, this is working fine. Thank you everyone for watching.